Hey YouTube, this is another video brought to you by Mic2, and for this video I'm going to show you how to install the latest macOS Sierra on your Windows computer. So I'm just going to install this on a VirtualBox. So let's first of all look at the prerequisite of this installation. So we need to have a VirtualBox manager, so you need to have the latest one. So as the make of this video, the latest version is 5.0.22. Right, then you need to have these files here. Let me just show you momentarily. This one here, I'll put a link right below the video how to download the macOS 10.12 Sierra. And also you need to have these soft commands. So we need to run this one in the terminal or in the command line so that to write into the file. This will allow the macOS to run successfully. So I'll put a link of this one below the video as well. So first thing first, bring up your VirtualBox. Then you create a new instance, a virtual machine. So I'll name this one Mac Sierra. And make sure the version is set to macOS X 10.11 El Capitan. Click on next. Now for the RAM, set that to 4096. Then click on use an existing virtual hard drive file. And you need to click on the folder icon right here. Navigate to the folder where the macOS 10.12 Sierra is located. Select it and click open. Then click on create. Okay, so that's it right there. Then once you have it here, click on settings, click on system, and then you need to click on processes. Select the CPU 2, and for the motherboard, the boot order, uncheck the floppy drive and make sure the chipset is set to ICH9. Right, then on display, push the video memory to the very far right. So that means you should select 128 meg. On storage, make sure the macOS 10.12 Sierra is selected. The rest of the settings, you just have to keep it the same. No changes there. Right, so now with that out of the way, just click on OK just to save the settings. Then the next thing that we have to do is to edit this file. We have to change the name here to match our VirtualBox. So on the VirtualBox, we named this one Mac Sierra. So we need to ensure that this name reflects here. To achieve that, what I will do is I will click on settings again, then click on the name, just select the name, copy the name, click on OK on that. You can close the VirtualBox momentarily. Then in this file, just click on edit, click on replace, then place the Mac Sierra right here, select this one as well, copy and paste it right here. So we're going to find anything with the macOS 10.12 Sierra, and we're going to replace that with Mac Sierra. So replace all, that's all done. Then we can close this one off. Then we have to open up the command line. So press Windows and X. Select the command prompt with admin privilege. Open that. And then what we have to do here is to copy these commands. But for us to do that first, we need to first of all go into the VirtualBox program file directory. Right, so you can copy it from here. If your location is different to mine, then what we have to do is to right click on the VirtualBox application, click on property, then you find the target. So you just have to copy the exact folder. So you can copy it from here, then just type in cd to change directory and paste. So now we're into that directory. You can close this one off, then you can select this and paste it one after the other. So you run that, then you select the next one, then you paste it as well, then the next one as well, so that's the last one. Right, so that's all done. Once that is out of the way, open up your VirtualBox again. Then you need to run the Mac Sierra VirtualBox. So just click on Start. And it should start momentarily. And there you go. So you just have to configure it, select the country, the keyboard, okay, I will not transfer any file. Click on continue. Don't use location. I'm not going to sign in yet. Just click on continue, skip this, then it should say up. Just going to agree on this and agree again, then give it a name, password, and then continue. So this will create the account momentarily. And once the account is created, that means all is set up. So just give it a few moments or two for it to set up. Then you just have to select your location and click on continue. Continue again. Enable Siri on this Mac because the new one comes with Siri inbuilt. So that's all. It's all setting up now. This is the time you can hit a thumbs up on the video and subscribe for more. So it's all set up as you can see right here. Right, so what I'll do is I'm just going to load up the about. So if I go on the Mac, okay, let me just set up the keyboard as well. Just click on continue and that and done. Right, so if I click on the Apple icon right there and click on about, once it load up, as you can see here, it's macOS Sierra, and that's the latest build. So if you like this video, hit a thumbs up and subscribe. Let me just show you the internet work fine because we have the network and everything set up. So if I just go to Yahoo, it should load up. Here we go. Okay, it's all loading up, and we can check on the settings as well. So ideally you can set this one up, run it for testing, everything works fine. Right, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.